Since 1813, Family Service of Morris County has been there helping children and families and seniors through the most difficult times in their lives. We do that by providing a variety of services, everything from counseling, education, support, and advocacy.
Our programs really work to empower the families, the individuals, to really improve the quality of their lives. And families and individuals encounter all types of situations, and we need to provide programs for those types of situations.
We're all about really reaching out to people when they are going through the most difficult traumas, the most difficult times, helping them through that and getting them into brighter times in their lives. One of the things that we learned after September 11th at Family Service is that there is such value in using therapeutic arts and healing crafts to helping families who have experienced trauma or loss.
I found these beautiful peacock feathers.
Healing Hands program is an innovative program. It's using the arts to empower children and families to deal with grief.
Producing something with one's hands as a reflection of what's inside. It's a wonderful cathartic experience to direct those emotions that they may not yet be able to identify.
You know what you're going to wear?
We've been privileged to witness some remarkable expressions of emotion through the creation of projects. There is no doubt that enormous healing has taken place, and it's just such a joy to see the transformation in their faces and to know that, yes, they have their lives and they are together.
Counseling services here at Family Service really are the foundation of what we do.
We know that there are many families who don't have access to counseling services, to outpatient mental health services, simply because they don't have insurance and they don't have the ability to pay. That's where Family Service steps in.
We counsel individuals, we counsel families, we work with all of those pieces that really fit together to make a family or even make a community.
We have trained professional therapists who can provide that wonderful expert service at an affordable rate so these families really can get the help they need.
Although Family Service is not known as an addiction agency, we do, of course, take addictions into consideration in all of our programs. We have a children's program, an adolescent program, where we speak to the children about their uses and the potential dangers and what other choices could be.
Does anybody feel they couldn't handle 7 drinks in 3 hours?
The biggest program we have concerning addiction is the drunk driving school. I really believe that here at Family Service, we're sending the message that substance abuse has to be acknowledged. We're sending the message that we need to see what's going on with our adolescents. We're reaching out to parents in all of our communities to let them know that we do have a resource here, even if it's simply to ask questions or simply to get some basic education on the drugs and alcohol that's available in our community.
JCP&L First Energy has been a tremendous partner with Family Service of Morris County. They have funded our substance abuse prevention programs, our healing arts programs, and also our counseling services for children and families.
We take our obligation to serve our community at large very seriously. Community involvement is a very key part of that. The high-quality programs that Family Service provides to the residents of Morris County have always been very impressive to us. They have the unique ability to tailor programs for emerging needs within the communities they serve. It is at times the work of angels, it really is.
Family Services is unique because they do focus on the whole family. They have tailored programs for the very young, for different counseling services, as people go through different stages in their life, and they tailor to the elderly as well.
We're most grateful to JCP&L First Energy not just for their funding, not just for their volunteer support, but because they make a difference in the lives of people who need their help most. JCP&L First Energy can give them the power to heal, the power to be comforted, and the power to learn how to cope and be strong and be able to function in their community and family.
Back in the 90s, my daughter and I came to Family Services because we were having a rough emotional and financial time due to a divorce in our family.
I recall my parents fighting a lot, and then one day my dad just never showed up back home.
We were directed to counseling. They had a group for children and parents that would get together twice a month and try to work through their anger and grief. It was a lot of work.
Once in a while there were tiffs, like sometimes it wouldn't work, and then other times it started working really well as we went on. If we didn't go, we probably would be still in the same place, dealing with the same situations or even worse.
And now, 15 years later or more, she's graduating high school, and she's getting A's and B's and going on to college, and we never would have been able to get that far if we hadn't have gotten the help we needed. I wanted to say thank you to Family Services.